wanted to show you, I must have hit maybe between 10 and $15 trees. I was in Sugarland, I was in League City, I went to Kemah, I went to Texas City, I went to Lamarck. I hit the ones here in Pearland, in Friendswood, in Webster, and I also hit, yeah, there's like 3 in Pearland, yeah, 2 or 3. Anyway, so I'm looking in the hair sections. I've been hitting them for about a month, maybe a little bit longer, to find those dark and lovely colored hairsprays. In that month, I didn't really see this new item. The one in Texas City is a little bit different from the rest. It kind of was like the flagship store. It's kind of like, it was the biggest one. It was the most unique one. And then they closed it down because someone bought that whole strip mall and they made it, cut it in half and made the other half in Aldi's. So I missed what they had. The Kemah is also kind of unique too. So I never saw this at all in the past month that I have been trying to find, or even month and a half that I've been trying to find the dark and lovely colored hairsprays. So I go Texas City. I said they usually have the unique stuff. In the makeup section, like I always do, I hit the makeup section, and as I'm passing the hair section, I was about to leave, and then I noticed something hanging, like a small side panel display, and it says LA Color, no, it says The Color Workshop Spring On Collection by Markwins. And I was like, what? Oh man, and I'm like pissed because why hadn't I seen this before in this, I think it's been at least, yeah, about a month and a half. So why didn't I see this before? Now, being that it is from Texas City, they had 2 displays. One was half, probably almost empty, and the other one was half empty. I'm like, what the heck? So, because if it was full, I might have got the complete collection. I really might have. It probably would have come to like $15 or maybe $20 at most. But they came with 6 eyeshadows, 5 blushes, 6 lip glosses, and 6 lipsticks. I am so upset because basically all the lipsticks were gone except for this one. They don't have any color names on them. So I don't really know what's what. And this seemed like the darkest, plummiest color. I think they had like pink. They might have had, from what I saw there, I think they might have had like 1 pink left, 1, peach left. And I saw this there. That's all I saw. I really just wanted the ones that look more purpley. Like this pink is a very cool toned pink. And it's funny, the first impression I got out of that is like, is this like supposedly for kids? Is this like kids makeup? So, let me see if I can. This is the cool toned pink one. And then out of the blushes, they had like 5. They had like, I think, red and this and that, plum, like a peach, pink, coral. And so I got the pink one because it looked like the coolest toned one. And I got this lip gloss because it looked like the plummy one. So I was upset. They had 2 displays and one was like almost empty and the other one was half empty. And I was like, what color is this? I never seen this before, so I didn't know. I thought maybe it was just a like maybe something sheer, a lip balm. So I was like, oh crap, you know. So I started backtracking to a few more Dollar Trees. The one in Lamarck was a pretty nice Dollar Tree, but didn't have this at all. The one I backtracked to, the one in I think it's like Friendswood, Pearland area. Empty display. They had only maybe a couple of things left, and it was like all the way at the back of the store. It wasn't. It was like at the end. It's like the cosmetics aisle, hair aisle, and then it was in the back, like in the back of the hair aisle, like this. Practically empty. I was so mad. I went to the Pearland one, you know, by me, or on the way home, I should say. Same thing. It was almost empty. So I was so frustrated. I went to the one in Webster. Same thing. Practically empty. I was so mad. I was like, I have been coming to these for the past month. Why hadn't I seen this, you know? So there is one, I believe it's, I think it's the Friendswood. It's also in like a Friendswood area. And it's, right now, it's the biggest one, and because since they cut the other one in half. And they always have this stuff. Always. They never got it in. So today I'm going to hit another one that's about maybe 2 miles going towards Houston, but not in Houston. It's near my house. I'm going to check there, but they usually get this stuff, and they said they haven't seen this. So I'm looking on the internet to see, you know, what other colors are there in the lip products. And they had like red and pink. I think they had a plum, the nude, and a peach. I was so mad. I would have wanted the plum one. And this is nude. I don't, it's too light for me. It's horrible. I thought it was just going to be like a lip balm. I was so mad. I'm like, all these times I've been coming out here, why? Why are these, did I not see this? So one of the women said that, it came out in June, by the way. Like I said, I was all of June in all the Dollar Trees. I didn't go to any in Houston, and I'm thinking about calling two in Houston and see, I don't know if they have it, but she said she found it in the children's section. And that's what I said when I said, this looks like children's makeup. So the places that I found it in was near the hair section. So since we have to do groceries today, I'm probably going to hit the one in Shadow Creek and see if they, you know, see if they have it. I called and they said they didn't. But, you know, a lot of times you call and if it's a man that picks up the phone, you're not going to get a straight answer. But anyway, so let's see what they have, because I really would like the plum one. I was really tempted to get all the shadows and the blushes since they were all there. But I was just mad because, you know, if I'm like that. I got to get the entire collection. I can't just. So anyway, I'll see what they have. I'm satisfied with all of this except the lipstick. It's too light. I would have liked the plum one. So I'm gonna today. When I go to the one in Shadow Creek, I'm gonna see if they have. Gonna go to the kids section as well, and maybe I'll find it in the ones that didn't have it in the kids section too. I mean, I did ask people who worked there, and they were like, "And I haven't seen that. I don't know what that is." So, just wanted to tell you about that. Oh, and I got this for $1. It's the Daily Defense Micellar Cleansing Water. So let's see how that works. I try them on my eyes, and I get dry eyes if my eye makeup remover doesn't have oil in it. So, and if not, then I always put soap on my face even with the wipes.